Deluxe Resort and Spa, which is an all-inclusive hotel on the island of Rhodes in Greece. Just a reminder that this is one in a series of videos on Greece, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you're updated every time I post a new video. So this is the second time that I've stayed in Akti Imperial, and a little bit of a spoiler alert, it's amazing. There's so much at Akti Imperial that if I named everything that was there, it'd literally take me about 1,000,000 hours to film this video. So a very brief idea of what's at the hotel. So the hotel is 20 minutes away from Rhodes Airport and 10 minutes away from the Rhodes Town, so it's pretty central to almost anywhere you're going to come from or want to go to, which is brilliant. The taxi rank is just outside the hotel, down by the beach. The bus stop is opposite that, so just outside the hotel again. And if you want to, you can also get a taxi from the reception area. Akti Imperial is an ultra all-inclusive, which means that everything is included, including 24 hours food, all of the entertainment on site, 4 themed restaurants, the minibar in your room, everything is included. The rooms are really modern, simple and clean. The beds are really comfortable. You get 2 sort of double-sized beds, which you can either push together or pull apart. If you push them together, make sure you don't fold on the middle. Every room has air conditioning, tea and coffee making facilities, an all-included minibar, a safe, you get some slippers when you arrive, which is lovely as well, and there's Wi-Fi throughout the whole area, the whole of the resort. Akti has 4 themed restaurants, 4 buffets varying in sizes, and 3 bars and a coffee bar. The food from the buffets is really nice considering the bulk that they have to cook in. In the main buffet, you can have Greek, Italian, Japanese food, and then more sort of, I guess, standard food as well. So you're not shy of any choice there. There's so much food. So much food. So at the resort, there's 3 outdoor pools, 1 indoor pool attached to the spa. There's a gym. There's a children's club, there's a tennis court and a basketball court, billiards table, a ping pong table, arcade, children's club, did I say that already? I don't know. The beach, which you can get to by going underneath the tunnel that goes underneath the road. So you don't have to like worry about running across the road to get to the beach. A small cinema, an escape room, and there are a variety of gift shops and a convenience store. Every evening there's entertainment for the children on the main stage outside by the pool, followed by entertainment for the grown-ups. Some nights it'd be some kind of cabaret show. There was a carpenter's night there. Carpenters, the band, not just people making furniture. The staff are always really friendly, really willing to help you with anything. The whole hotel is clean and modern. It's a really nice place to go. There are also a few new things for 2019, so if you've been previous and have thought, maybe not, there are new things which may interest you for this year. Something that Akti had a lot of complaints about in the past were the lack of lifts. Over the winter, Akti has installed loads more lifts, so that's no longer a problem. They've also built a new terraced area for the main buffet, so there's a load more seating that overlooks the sunset and the ocean, so that's really nice to sit at in the evening. Also in the reception area, there's a more predominantly placed jewellery shop and a car hire place as well. They're still adding new things to the hotel as well, so even if you end up going later in the summer, odds are there's going to be a load new things for you as well. I stayed there for 2 weeks and I only had one problem the whole time that I was there, and my room door jammed open, but the maintenance people were so quick that it wasn't hardly even a bother anyway. Stick around until the end of the video to see what my rating would be if I was to do a TripAdvisor review. But for now, we'll get on with the tour, so enjoy! I'll see you after. Hello, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tour. My mobile phone footage doesn't really do the hotel justice. It is such a wonderful place, like so lovely. So if you want to donate to my new camera fund, just PayPal me. So in regards to my rating on Akti, in regards to the location, I'd give it a 5 out of 5. It is so close to the airport and it's so close to town. It's just a like 10-minute taxiway to town, and you can't complain about that. For cleanliness, again, I'd give the place a 5. It is so clean. There are people around cleaning all day long. The people who clean the rooms are really nice and they do a good job as well. And if you wake up early, you can see the gardeners about and all the people out cleaning outside as well. So you know that it's a big team job, which they do really well. In regards to service, again, I'd give that a 5. They are so friendly, so nice, and especially the ones who work in the main buffet, the big buffet. They're really attentive and they really want to like make your holiday special. So they're really good. And the people who work in the coffee bar as well. By the time I'd left, they knew my order and would have it ready for me when I turned up. And then value for money. Considering the amount of stuff that you get whilst you're at Akti, I think the value for money that you get is amazing. You get so much for your money. The initial output does seem like a lot, but then if you think of what you spend on when you're on holiday, like, you know, your food, your entertainment, you don't have to buy any of that whilst you're there. It's all included. So my overall TripAdvisor rating is a 5 out of 5. Well done, Akti. Let me know if you're going to Akti or Rhodes soon, or if you've been before and what you thought of it. Let me know below. If you'd like to see more videos on my most recent trip to Rhodes, then make sure to subscribe so that you get notified every time that I post a new one. But in the meantime, if you'd like to watch some older videos on Rhodes, I'll link them here for you. Hope you enjoyed. See you again. Enjoy your life. Ta-da!